In this video, I'm going to tell you 10 reasons why I love print on demand. Let's go. Thanks for joining me on this video. My name is Juna with Detour Shirts. I've been designing and selling t-shirts online since 2005. If that's something you want to learn how to do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So in this video, I wanted to share with you 10 reasons why I love print on demand. Like I said, I've been doing it since 2005. I started with Cafe Press and moved on to other print on demand sites like Zazzle and Spreadshirt. And today I'm on these right here as well, Merch by Amazon, RedBubble, and TeePublic. I'm on all these print on demand sites as well as some others. And these 10 reasons that I'm going to share with you are the reasons why I continue to stay with print on demand even till this day. So this video are for those who just started print on demand or are thinking about doing print on demand. Listen to all these reasons why I love print on demand. Of course, it's not a perfect business to go into. I'm not sharing the cons, I'm just showing the pros, but there are some pretty good reasons why you should start print on demand and reasons why I continue to do print on demand. So you're going to want to stay all the way to the end to see all 10 reasons, as well as another edition of trend credits. So lots to see in this video. Hopefully this video is really helpful for you, especially for those that are thinking about starting. So let's get into this video right now. So the first reason why I love print on demand is because the setup is free. You don't have to have any money to begin. You can just start right away with a computer and start print on demand and start your print on demand business. Think about how many businesses you can start with free. There are not very many of those that you can start with no money down. So even a simple lemonade stand, you would have to buy lemonade to sell that. So you'd still have out-of-pocket expenses. If you're flipping houses, that's going to be expensive to get started up. Even if you're doing FBA, if you're buying and flipping a lot of products, all of those businesses, you're going to need some capital to start up. So most print on demand sites are free to start, and you can just sign up with an email and you can get started right away. The same day that you sign up, you can start uploading things and get started with no money down. And if you don't have a designer app or a graphic design app, there are lots of free apps out there that you can get started with too. Canva is a good place to start. Placeit has some free things as well. So the print on demand business is unique in that way that the setup and startup of this business is absolutely free, $0. So that is my first reason why I love print on demand. It's because the setup is $0. So the second reason why I love print on demand is that there are many different print on demand sites. So here's 3 right here: RedBubble, Merch by Amazon, and TeePublic. I already named Cafe Press, Zazzle, Threadless, Society6, Designed by Humans, Spreadshirt. The list goes on and on. So one of the cool things about having multiple print on demand sites is that you now can have multiple streams of income. And you may have heard this a lot lately, that you should have multiple streams of income. And that's true, because if one of your income streams go down, you still have some other income streams that will help you out. So you're never at a loss. You're not putting all your eggs in one basket. So for instance, if I have these right here, RedBubble, Merch by Amazon, and TeePublic, if Merch by Amazon goes down, RedBubble could still bring me in incomes, and I don't have 0 income coming in. So that's the cool thing about print on demand. Lots of print on demand sites where you can have multiple streams of income very easily just by putting your design on multiple print on demand sites. So that is my reason number 2 why I love print on demand, is that you can have multiple streams of income with multiple print on demand sites. So reason number 3 why I love print on demand is because there's so many tools for non-designers on there. So if you're out there and you're thinking, well, I can't start a print on demand site because I don't know how to design, well, that shouldn't hold you back, because there's places like Fiverr and Placeit and Creative Market and all these places that can help you with your design. And you can also sell just really simple t-shirt designs. If you don't want to pay for a designer right away, of course, and you want to start off with 0, you can start off by making text t-shirts. There's so many text t-shirts out there that are just words on a shirt laid out in a simple way, and they still sell. There's still a lot of text design stickers out there for Redbubble, and they still sell. So lots of examples of ways that you can do stuff. You just have to get in there and start and see what sells for you. So you don't actually have to be a designer to start print on demand. You can start it just with things that are very simple. And if you want to hire a designer, you can. There's places like Fiverr and Upwork and all these places. And there's lots of graphics out there as well with Vexels and Placeit and Creative Market and Creative Fabrica, and the list goes on and on. So now is the best time for non-designers to start print on demand. So that is my reason number 3 why I love print on demand, because it's for everyone, designers and non-designers alike. So reason number 4 why I love print on demand is because you can do it on your own time. There is no set schedule. You don't have to clock in at 9 and finish at 5. This is totally on your own time. So if you want to get up early and do that, and that's the best time for you to upload your stuff, great, it works for you. If you want to stay up late and that's the only time you have to do print on demand, perfect, this works for you. So you can do print on demand at any time. It's open 24/7. You can do it whenever you want, and that's a real benefit for me because I have a 9 to 5 that I'm working, and I do this on the side. So I do my thing early in the morning when I get up and after work, and this works out perfect because this is something that you can start while you already have a job. So think of it, if you don't want to do this as a first job, this can be your second or third job, and you can just do it whenever you want. So of course you still need to put in the time, but your time is flexible. So this is my reason number 4 why I love print on demand, because you can do it anytime you want. So reason number 5 why I love print on demand is because you can make money while you sleep. So not only can you do print on demand at any time in the morning or at night, but you can also get an income. You can also get paid while you're on vacation, while you're actually doing your other job. So this is not something that you have to put in your time to get your money. This is something that you put in designs, and then these are things that can make you money while you're doing something else. So it's kind of a passive income in that way. Of course, it's not something that you can just put all your designs in there and not have to work at all, but it's definitely something where you can make money while you're sleeping. So this is reason number 5 why I love print on demand, because you can literally make money while you're sleeping. So reason number 6 why I love print on demand is because this is a business that you can scale. I already talked about having multiple print on demand sites, but you can also continue to upload more and more and more designs. The sky is really the limit. So if you want to, you can continue to add more and more and more designs each year, and every year it will scale up and up and up. And this is a business that can take off and make you thousands of dollars a month. Now, this is not something that can happen right away. So this business will take you a little while to get there. I'm not promising that you'll make thousands of dollars right away, but there's tons of people, a lot of people who have been doing this for many years that are making thousands of dollars a month. So it's not something that I'm exaggerating at all. It's literally something that you can make thousands of dollars a month if you can learn how to scale this and add more and more t-shirts, more and more designs to your portfolio, and more designs to each of these print on demand sites. So that is my reason number 6 why I love print on demand, because it is a business that you can scale. So reason number 7 why I love print on demand is you don't have to worry about driving traffic. Of course, if you did drive traffic to your sites, you would get more eyes on it, but a lot of these print on demand sites have very good traffic. So if you have your own website, you know how hard it is to drive traffic to that. But if you are on some of these print on demand sites, they will drive the traffic for you. So if you're on RedBubble or Merch by Amazon, you literally will get traffic, organic traffic, by just putting in the right keywords and designing the right things. So that is one of the biggest benefits for being on big print on demand sites like RedBubble and Merch by Amazon, especially Merch by Amazon, because you're getting Amazon traffic now. And Amazon really knows how to get the traffic. People are already going on Amazon to shop, and they can find your designs on there. So my number 7 reason that I love print on demand is the free organic traffic. So the number 8 reason why I love print on demand is that you don't have to deal with customers. So one of the things I used to do before doing print on demand is to do freelance graphic design. And let me tell you, having to deal with the customers there, having them go back and forth. I don't want this, I want this a different color, I want this a different size. Just that back and forth can be really taxing on you and can waste you a lot of time. So the thing that I love about print on demand is that I have no customers. I mean, I do have customers that are buying my stuff, but I don't have to deal with them. Amazon deals with them, RedBubble deals with them. If there is a problem that needs customer service, those print on demand sites will do that for you. So you can just focus on designing, which is what I love to do. So if you're an introvert or antisocial or just don't want to talk to customers, the print on demand is a perfect business for you, because all you have to worry about is figuring out what to design and putting it on print on demand sites and not having to talk to anybody about it. So that's something that I really love. It saves me a lot of time of back and forth, and I can concentrate on the things that I love doing, which is designing t-shirts or designing stickers, and it's just really cool. So number 8, the reason why I love print on demand is because you don't have to deal with any customers. So reason number 9 why I love print on demand is because there's so much training out there. So when I started in 2005, there wasn't a lot of courses or mentors or people helping you, but now there's so many places that you can go on YouTube and learn. You can find mentors, you can find Facebook groups. There's just a whole community now of people that are doing print on demand and that can help you with any question that you have. And these print on demand sites also have become a lot better and better, and so you can ask them questions as well. They have forums out there. There's just so many places that you can learn how to do different things. So if you're a non-designer, you can go and watch videos on how to design stuff. If you're new to the platform and want to learn SEO and how to do that, there's videos for that. So there's just lots and lots of training out there for people if you're just starting out. So that is my reason number 9 why I love print on demand, is because there's lots and lots of training to help you. So my reason number 10 why I love print on demand is that it's free to test. Now this may not be something that you think is really big, but this is actually really huge. Because it's free to put designs up there on Merch by Amazon or RedBubble or whatever, you also are free to test it. So think about this. You can do 10 designs and throw all 10 designs up there and figure out which one of those 10s will sell. And not only that, but it doesn't cost you anything to find that out. Now think about other businesses where could you do that? If you had to make 5 different sandwiches and figure out which sandwich would be the best sandwich out there, you would have to take a lot of money and put that into a lot of testing to figure that out. But to test something out on print on demand absolutely costs you nothing. So you can figure out what works and what doesn't work really, really fast. So that is huge, because over time, by testing things out, you'll figure out what works and what doesn't. And what doesn't work, don't do that again. What does work, do more of that. So over time, you'll learn that this works and this works and this works. And this is why print on demand sales usually go like that once you figure it out, because you know, because you've tested for so long, you know what exactly works. So this is my number 10 reason why I love print on demand, because it's free to test and you can test unlimitedly. You can test over and over as many times as you want. So here they are. These are all the 10 reasons why I love print on demand. I'm going to read them over for you again. Number 1, the setup is free, absolutely free to start. Number 2, you have multiple streams of income because you have multiple print-on-demand sites that you can add your designs to. Number 3, it's for everyone. If you're a designer, you're a non-designer, everyone can do this because there's lots of different ways that you can do it. Number 4, it's on your own time, so you can do it in the morning and at night as your second job, or whenever you want, whenever you have free time. Number 5, you can make money while you sleep. And this is a great one. This is kind of a passive income. This is awesome that you can do this. You can make money while you're actually doing another job. So number 6, you can scale this. You can scale this and make as many designs as you want. And over time, you can make this bigger and bigger and bigger. Number 7, you can get a lot of free organic traffic from these sites, especially if you're on Merch by Amazon. RedBubble has some great traffic too, and so some other ones. Number 8, you don't have to deal with customers. This is one of my favorite things about print on demand, is that I can just focus on the things I want to do and not have to worry about a deadline or customers or anything like that. Number 9, lots of free training to help. We live in an age where we can look up how to do this and how to do that. There's just lots of free training out there with Facebook groups as well. So look into that. Number 10, it's free to test. So you can figure out really quickly what works and what doesn't work and just do more of what works. So that is it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. Hopefully this video was really helpful for you and that you know that these 10 reasons are the reasons why I love print on demand, and hopefully there are reasons why you may want to start print on demand, or if you're starting print on demand already, hopefully these reasons relate to you as well. Let me know in the comments if you're new to print on demand. I'd love to hear it. Thanks again for staying all the way to the end, and your reward is another edition of Trend Credits. Thanks for joining me on this trend. Here is your trend credit. I'd love a mean tweet and $1.79 gas right now. Take a look at these. This is so funny. Of course, this is a pro-Trump t-shirt, but look at these BSRs, super low. Lots of ways to do this. Of course, red, white, and blue. You can do Trump or the American flag back there. Lots of different ways, or just that kind of thing. Here is Merch Informer. You can see it's getting an A right now, so it's good. So if you don't have Merch Informer, I have a link in the description for Merch Informer where you can get this and you can check competition, and it's saying it's getting an A, so it's a good one to go for. Let's look at this thing again, this trend. You can see lots of low BSRs right now. This is funny as gas prices are going up and up. This is commentary on that. So this is your trend for this video. I'd love a mean tweet and $1.79 gas right now. So that is it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. Hopefully this video is really helpful for you. If it was, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed already, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I have one right here in the corner. You can click on those. And before I leave, the question of the day for this video is, why do you love print on demand? So if you're on print on demand, I gave you my 10 reasons why I love print on demand. I'd love to hear if there's other reasons why you love print on demand. There's so many reasons why this is a good business to be in. Put those in the comments. I'd love to hear it. Thanks again for watching. And if you want to see more videos on how to do print on demand and how to draw different things for print on demand, click on these videos right here. And as always, guys, keep creating and keep learning. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.